When we talk English, we focus on something we call intonation and pitch. Intonation and pitch is simply trying to put enough stress or weight on some parts of the words, but not other parts of the words. The part of sentences that we stress more are the sentences that carry more meaning or new information. Because every sentence you say in English carries two types of meanings: the old meaning or the old information, and the new meaning and the new information. So, can you guess which meaning or which information should we stress? I'll give you 5 seconds. Definitely. We stress the new information. Why? Because it's new. And in order to stress the new information, you have to stress the part of the sentence that carries new information. Let's have an example here. Dogs eat bones. Dogs eat bones. The word dogs and bones are new information because the speaker is indicating that dogs eat bones, no matter whether that's an intuitive piece of knowledge or it's a statement that carries new information. It has new information. The word or the verb eat doesn't have or doesn't carry any new information at this point.